before we go for this nomenclature of hydrocarbon, which is IUPAC, well, first you should know what is IUPAC. So IUPAC is actually International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So we need to know certain keywords that are associated with these nomenclature rules. First is the parent chain. The parent chain means that the hydrocarbon has to be a skeleton chain which is linear in formation. Right. After that, there are some side chains or subsequent group, you can say that, which are on the sides of it. The next is the functional group, which determines which category of hydrocarbon it is. Either it can be a alcohol, it can be a ketone, it can be a carboxylic acid, or it can be an halogen. Let's check it out, the rules of nomenclature for class 10. So first is you need to find out the longest parent chain. And you need to find out the functional group and the subsequent group. Now there is a two difference between functional group and the subsequent group. That first is functional group determines the hydrocarbons properties, chemical properties. However, subsequent group is just a side group, like side chain. You can say that it is any alkyl group, ethyl, methyl, anything. So in any hydrocarbon, if you are getting any double or triple bond along with the functional group, then give the preference to functional group first and then the double or triple bond. And if there are any subsequent group, then third preference will go for the subsequent group. Then we need to find out, is the hydrocarbon containing any double bond or triple bond in its parent chain or not. If it is, then it can be of the different category, like it can be an alkene if it is having a double bond, it can be an alkyne if it is having a triple bond, or simple alkane category having a single covalent bonds between them. Once we identified that the parent carbon chain have a single bond, double bond, or triple bond, then that parent chain will get a suffix. Like for example, for single chain it is ane, alkane. For double covalent bond it is alkene, and for triple bond it is alkyne. So ane, ene, ine for single, double, or triple bond respectively. Come to the functional group. If we talk about functional group, we have already discussed, you can say that, the 5 different functional groups here. So based on those functional groups, we will be naming them as alcohol, OL for alcohol, and ON for ketone, AL for aldehyde, oic acid for carboxylic acid, and for halogen it is prefix, like if bromine is there, then it would be a bromo, iodine is there, then it will ido, fluorine is there, it will be a fluoro. For any side chain, it can be any alkyl name. For example, if CH3 is present as a side chain, then it will be a methyl group. Based on the carbon atom, it can be as methyl, ethyl, propyl, etc. Here I am taking an example of a hydrocarbon having a double bond here as well as with the subsequent group. So first rule is to find out the parent chain. So then I'll start with the numbering. So here the numbering goes like the double bond should get the least number. If you observe carefully that the double bond is getting second position in third and fourth option, so any of the third or fourth option can be chosen for the nomenclature. If you observe carefully that the double bond is getting second position in third and fourth option, so any of the third or fourth option can be chosen for the nomenclature. I took the third option for my nomenclature, so based on that I can see that there are 5 carbon atoms in a parent chain, so it will be a pent, because 5 carbon atoms represent pent. However, there is a double bond present, so it will be a category of alkene, so it will be a 5 pentene. 5 means 5 pentene. So where is this double bond present? It is specified here. So it will be a pent for 5 carbon atom, and the position of the double bond, that is 2, and then it is E. So it will be a pent 2E. Now coming to the next part, that is the subsequent group or the functional group. I can see that the functional group is not present here, however the subsequent group is present, and subsequent group contains only one single carbon atom, that means a meth. So meth becomes methyl because it is an alkyl group. So it will be a prefix for us. So it will be a prefix for us. So this methyl will be placed in front of the carbon chain, parent carbon chain. So the naming would be 4-methyl pent 2E. Now how this 4 comes? It is because this methyl group is present at the 4th carbon atom. So the total name IUPAC nomenclature of this hydrocarbon is 4-methyl pent 2E. Now I'm giving you an assignment to find out the IUPAC name of this hydrocarbon.